We check in now on the latest cattle market news with our market update, brought to you by CattleFax.
Hello, I'm Lance Zimmerman with the CattleFax update. Supply and demand determine market prices. That's a well understood fact for cattle producers. Participants throughout the beef cattle industry also know that tighter supplies have been supportive to the record high price environment in recent years. In fact, 2015 will likely see the smallest beef production in more than 20 years. However, pork and poultry production is likely to be record high this year, and the January 1st inventory of feeder cattle and calves outside of feed yards was larger than 2014. Overall, the supply trend in the U.S. protein sector is going to be higher, and cattle producers need to be on notice. This creates a market environment where demand becomes a larger focus on price discussions going forward. Wholesale beef demand in March was around 10% higher than year-ago levels, but current live cattle futures prices suggest that demand could be more than 10% below year-ago levels by December. Wholesale pork demand already went through that transition. In March, pork demand was 3% below year-ago levels after being nearly 30% higher in May 2014. March broiler demand remains strong with a 30% year-over-year increase, but that increase is narrowing. These trends enforce the idea that multi-year price highs were likely established in the last 12 months throughout the U.S. protein complex. Cattle producers need to plan accordingly as they look at additional supplies going forward. Demand creation will become increasingly important to commanding additional cattle revenue as cow herd expansion intensifies in the months and years ahead. For the Angus Report and CattleFax, I'm Lance Zimmerman.
To learn more about CattleFax, your leading source for beef industry market information, visit CattleFax.com.